A German study found that cows tend to face either magnetic north or south when grazing or resting, regardless of the sun's position. Today's video is about the cow. Cows don't get credit for much beyond providing the milk and meat that much of the world relies on. All cows are female. Males are called bulls or steer. Before having a calf for the very first time, a female is called heifer. Then once she has her first calf, she becomes a cow. There are over 800 different cattle breeds recognized worldwide. For example, beef breeds are raised for their meat and dairy breeds are raised to produce milk. At Clover Meadows Beef, we raise Angus-based cattle, which is a beef breed. Cows mostly eat grass and sometimes grain. Cows don't eat meat ever. They are always vegetarian fed. Cows can see almost 360 degrees. As a result of this near panoramic view, they can watch for predators from all angles. However, they don't see well straight in front of them and they will typically turn their head to look at you. Cows have an acute sense of smell and can detect odors up to 6 miles away. Cows are very social and don't like to be alone. For example, when a cow isolates herself, it's usually because she is sick or about to give birth. Cows have no upper front teeth, therefore when they are eating food, they press their sharp bottom teeth against the top hard palate of their mouth to cut blades of grass. A cow has 32 teeth and will chew about 40 to 50 times a minute. A cow will chew for up to 8 hours a day and can move their jaws about 40,000 times a day. Since grass is not available in the winter for cattle to eat, it's very important that farmers harvest grass so that cattle can eat it in the winter. The process is called making hay. This is very busy and critical time of the year on any cattle farm. In short, the fields have to produce enough hay in order to feed the animals through the winter. Cows spend about 10 hours a day lying down. They will stand up and lay down about 14 times a day. They can sleep while they are standing. The first cow arrived in the US in 1611 in Jamestown. There are approximately 98 million cows in the US. The US cattle herd size is at least lowest level since 1952 and it is shrinking. Cows are ruminants, which are curd-chewing mammals. Other ruminant mammals are sheep, giraffe, goats, and deer, just to name a few. The main stomach of a cow, the rumen, holds up to 50 gallons of food that has been partially digested. To put that in perspective, a bathtub can usually hold 30 to 50 gallons of water. A cow will consume about 40 pounds of food in a day. Farmers use ear tags as an animal identification system that helps keep track of important information about each animal, such as birth date, gender, age and weight, etc. Cows can see color. They can even see red. When you see a mediator waving a red flag at a bull, a male cow, the bull charges because of the flag's movement. The average body temperature of a cow is 102 degrees Fahrenheit. In the winter, cows' thick skin and hair is a natural insulator that protects them from the bitter cold. Cows have 4 digestive compartments in one stomach. The rumen, this is where the cud comes from. The reticulum, this is sort of like a human stomach. In the 1850s, nearly every family in the US had its own cow. All cattle, even grass-finished cattle, sometimes need to eat something other than grass in order to be healthy, like mineral. Like all animals, cattle require a balance of nutrients for survival. They receive these nutrients through their diet, which provides 6 basic cattle nutrients: water, carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Almost 2,000 quarter-pound hamburgers can be made from the ground beef in one cow. The world's most expensive cow, Missy, brought in $1.2 million at the Royal Agricultural Winter Fair in 2009. Brazil has the largest cattle inventory in the world, followed by India and China. India is the world's largest milk producer with 22% of global production, followed by the United States of America, China, Pakistan, and Brazil. In 2019, India consumed the most milk worldwide, drinking over 77.7 million metric tons. The next largest consumption of milk was in the European Union at 33.4 million metric tons. New Zealand slaughtered the most cows per capita. Another reason why New Zealand cows produce some of the best milk in the world. Cows do cry. Just like humans, cows have the ability to feel emotions and can cry for many reasons. Cows can grieve and feel pain. Cows in the dairy industry are artificially inseminated, and after their calf is born, their child is taken away and they cry and grieve for the loss of their child. Cows don't need a shower often, unless it's very hot or they are very dirty. The world cattle inventory in 2020 was reported at 997.5 million head.